Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi, and today I'm going to show you how to make Oyakodon. Oyako means parents and children, and don is a short term for donburi, so Oyakodon means chicken and egg on top of a bowl of rice. It's so easy and so quick to make, but it's super delicious. You're gonna love it. So let's get started. These are the ingredients. We have chicken thigh, half onion, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of Japanese cooking sake, 4 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of Japanese instant soup stock. Let's slice onion first. So cut the bottom off and the top off. Remove the skin, just like this, and slice it thinly. Then chicken. For the chicken, you can do this with the skin on or skin off, whichever I like. And I don't like the skin, so I'm removing the skin by pulling it away, like this. And remove these fats, trim these fats using knife. And let's cut the chicken into a little smaller than bite size. Okay, now we have all the ingredients ready. Prepare a small size skillet like this and add 100 milliliter of water, 1 teaspoon of Japanese soup stock, instant Japanese soup stock, 2 tablespoons of Japanese cooking sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin. Let's put the onion and chicken in here. Mix it up a little bit. Put it on. Turn the heat on and cook it until everything in the skillet is totally cooked. Now, both chicken and onion are well cooked, so it's time to add some eggs. We have 4 eggs here. Beat it. And you don't beat it completely. You just break the egg yolks like this. This is good enough. And then you pour egg white into the skillet. Just like this, and put the lid back on and cook the egg white about 1 minute. Egg white is almost cooked, so now I'm adding egg yolk all over the skillet like this. Put the lid back on, and this time you just cook 30 seconds. Turn the heat off, and the topping for Oyakodon is ready. You can see egg white is completely cooked, but egg yolk still runny and creamy here and here. So this is the topping for Oyakodon. Let's serve some rice in this bowl here. Make it kind of flat, like this. And then put this topping on top. Sprinkle some spring onion if you like, with a nice color. And your Oyakodon is ready. So this is everything for today. It was really easy, wasn't it? I hope you like my Oyakodon. More recipe on Japanese food coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. See you in next video. Bye!